Hi guys! Welcome to another unboxing video, and now we're gonna unbox the compact camera by Rode. Okay, let's go! Here it is. So let me just show you yung kanyang box. This is the front, the side, the back. Okay, so let us open it. Oh, before we open this, let me just tell you yung reason kung bakit ko binili siya. So, binili ko siya for my DJI OSMO ACTION. And from what I've searched, yung mga na-research ko, kailangan mo tong Cynova adapter. This is a DJI OSMO ACTION Dual 3.5 USB-C adapter. So, kailangan mo daw to para maging compatible yung microphone sa ating OSMO ACTION. So, isasama natin siya sa ating unboxing, and I will post also a video with the DJI OSMO itself at saka with the microphone. But the biggest question is, we will put it like this. Charan. Okay, so let's try it out. Try natin siya. And then I will show you a video clip kung gagana siya. Okay. Actually, for this DJI, I saw na tinatanggal nila to. But then, it's really hard. So, you need to be very, very careful para magkasya tong. Okay. Okay, it fits. Okay. And then, oh, let's pray. Wow. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, hi guys. So for the test, this is the DJI OSMO without yung microphone. So hindi ko pa inatouch yung kanyang mic to test it out. So this is it. Hi Mia.
Hi, I'm petting my dog named.
Okay, so we're now gonna attach this microphone.
Can everyone hear me?
Okay, that's it guys for our review. So I leave it to you to see the difference with the microphone and without the microphone. So next time I'm gonna review this Rode microphone with an iPhone. So that's it for today. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And next time I'm gonna review this Rode microphone with an iPhone. Okay, bye!